welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover, and I just got my Ipsy and Boxycharm box in the mail, and I'm going to go over all the products with you. So before I show you the products that I received this month, I do want to give a big shout out to Ipsy and Boxycharm. They do send this to me for free. All I have to do is then post about it and share my link. It is an affiliate link, which I think I either get a product or $5. I don't know. I don't think anybody's actually signed up with my link, but it's there in the description if you're interested in that. But I just got this at literally the afternoon on May 30th, and this is going to go up on the 1st. So you are getting a very, very quick sneak peek of what you can get in this month's box and bag. And I am not trying on these products because what I do is I do open these before I film, because I want to know exactly what I will be filming with, because I don't like surprises. I'm not saying off the bat the items are bad, there's just not a lot that I'm willing to try right now. And a lot of it may go into my TikTok giveaway, because I am hosting a giveaway on my TikTok. As soon as I hit 10K, I'm going to choose a winner. If you're interested in that, that video will be linked down below. Well, let's start with Ipsy, and I actually really like this bag. This is so fun and so cute. There's something in here that smells very strong. I'm not sure which item it is, but we'll get to that in a moment. The theme is sunny days ahead, and it says whatever moves you're making this season, taking a trip, soaking up the sun, or diving into a new adventure, trust us to keep you looking bright, bold, and beautiful every step of the way. That is some of the selections for July that you can make. I don't make any selections because they do send this to me. I don't even know if I have the capability of doing that, but let's hop right into there. I think what I am smelling is this. This is the Frank Body Rosehip Body Scrub Plus Cleanser. It's a 2-in-1 melting body scrub, which oh yeah, this is a scent. I am always interested in trying these out because I have really dry skin, and a lot of exfoliators I just haven't liked because they just leave behind like a really oily residue, and I'm just not into that. You know, it's probably good for me, I just don't like being slicked up. Have tried this brand before, I do like it, and I'm excited to see how this one works, even though I don't know if I actually like the smell of this. And from Galactic, this is the Fruit Superfood Sugar-Free Scrub Mini. I actually have a full size of this, and I haven't tried it yet. I think I got it a couple months ago, and I just haven't gotten around to trying it yet. I like the scent of it, and I'm excited to eventually try it, but I kind of wish that they would have put a couple more months in between sending the full size and a mini. Just saying. From First Day Beauty, this is a mini Brighten and Glow moisturizer with vitamin C. This is only 10 milliliters, which is equal to 0.34 fluid ounces, so it is a little baby one. I absolutely love First Day Beauty. The few products that I have tried from them, I've been a fan, and I am a big fan of any moisturizer that says it's going to brighten and glow my skin, because dry, and it needs help. It needs help. And from Ace Beauté, this is the Maximum Impact Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Stella Dust. I am very intrigued. I've only tried a few things from Ace Beauté, and I've always wanted to try more. Ooh, pretty. So it is a plastic packaging, not the greatest. The cap feels really cheap. That's like a rose gold color. Ooh, that is pretty. It's so shiny. It is very pretty. I don't typically go for liquid eyeshadows. I don't know why I don't go for liquid eyeshadows more. I used to be obsessed with the Stila ones, which this one is very reminiscent of that, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and just like that shine when the light hits it. Ooh, I'm excited for that. And then the last thing in the bag is from the brand, it may be Dear Midnight, it may be Atelier. I will have the correction on the screen, don't worry. This is a color change PH Lip Balm, which is like all the rage. I stand by the claim that, you know, they're all gonna basically look the same. So it's all about which brand you like more and which formula you like better. But this is such a baby, such a baby. And I'll just swipe it on my hand, and it's gonna turn pink, because that is what these do. It'd be cool if these could change into any other color. It feels like it'll be very comfortable. I have a lip oil on now. I guess I could wipe this off, even though I don't think pink is gonna go with this eye makeup I have. Feels like any other one that I've tried. It's not bad, but if I'm gonna go for a color changing lip balm, I'm gonna go with one that's a little bit prettier to look at, because gorgeous. It's comfortable. It's not anything like mind-blowing, but I'm not mad at it. I just wish we wouldn't get that. I'd rather just have a color that wouldn't work for me than a PH color changing lip balm. I'll be honest. But that is everything in the Ipsy bag. I think overall, it's not my favorite bag that I've gotten, so I would give this a solid, I'll give it a 3. 3 out of 5. I think that's fair because the liquid eyeshadow is actually pretty as long as it performs well on the eyes. I'll count this as a win. But now moving on to the Boxycharm portion. This has 5 items in here. I did already, like I said, take a peek at it. Boxycharm sends a little bit more information. It says, turn the page to see how we've delivered everything you need for a sun-kissed glow all summer long. I honestly feel like I'm going crazy. I could have swore when I opened this, literally like 20 minutes ago, that I saw something about Zendaya and iced latte makeup, and I think I'm going crazy. Oh no, I'm not. It was a separate pamphlet. Take a big sip, introduce an iced latte makeup. Do we really need to like identify trends? I mean, it's just a brown smoky eye with shimmer. Let's be real here. But Zendaya is a gorgeous woman. You can get that look with the products in here. So anyway, now that I figured out the mystery, let's get into the Boxycharm box. So first up is from the brand Feel. This is the Refinishing Night Serum. Obviously, it's something that you apply at night and it's going to help like resurface your skin. I've never heard of this brand, but it does say it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which is just awesome. This to me is exciting because I am on a hair growth journey. No, this is not my real hair. This is insert name here, ponytail. My real hair is like up to here, maybe. But this is from Briogeo. This is their Superfoods Avocado plus Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1 leave-in spray. I am obsessed with leave-in sprays because my hair does lean more on the dry side. It has gotten better since I stopped putting heat on my hair, and I haven't colored my hair in a very long time. So my hair is healthier and not so dry, but it does need a little like boost every once in a while, and I love leave-in conditioners. I have tried Briogeo in the past and I've really loved what I've tried. It's not something that I currently use because I found a shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and treatments that work for me. I don't know if it smells like anything. They had I think it was a banana. It smells green. They had like a banana shampoo, I think it was, that I really enjoyed. But yeah, super excited for that. And from Ren Beauty, this is the Lunar Magic Blurring Primer. I didn't even know they had this primer. I have tried only a few products from Ren Beauty and I just haven't been impressed. I do kind of want to try out the foundation because I've heard good things about the foundation, but I've tried like those pot concealers that she came out with and I was like, do not like those. They are sitting in my drawer and I don't know when I'm going to get to them. But I'm also just not impressed with like the packaging for some of her things. Like, this is so boring. Like, it fits with her line, but it's also just, I don't know, it's not interesting. I feel like if you're gonna do a simple tube, do a colored tube, not a plain white one. That's just my opinion. There are 2 lip glosses from Pink Lips. I don't think I'm going to hold on to these because it's not colors that I really need in my life right now, because I did do a huge lipstick declutter like a couple months ago. I'm just not interested in adding unnecessary lip products to my collection again that I know I'm not going to use in the long run. So I'm not even going to open these, but they are pretty. They're just not pretty for me. And then the last item in here is a palette from Il Makiage. This is the Color Boss Quad in The Real Deal. I have tried their shadows before. I had another palette that I got in Boxycharm. First of all, packaging, so luxe. I love the packaging, even though you get like fingerprints all on this. I am not a fan of this color story just because it is so neutral. Like, look at me. Do I look like a neutral person? So I think what I'm gonna do is not use this and just throw this into my giveaway. I do like the formula on here. I already have one and it's a very similar color story to this, so I'm not really interested in having this in my life, so I'm gonna pass it on to somebody who would hopefully appreciate it more. But that is everything in the Boxycharm box, and I think overall I would also give this one a 3 out of 5. Not the best, not the worst. I am probably only gonna hold on to maybe 3 items. I'm a little bit iffy on some skincare items because I have so much and I'm slowly making my way through it, and I don't like to add too much into like my to use pile because that is already overflowing. So let me know, have you tried any of the products that I got in my bag or box? If you did, let me know if you liked it or if you didn't like it. I'm very interested if anybody has tried this blurring primer. I'd be very interested to know if it's worth keeping. I don't typically go for blurring primers. If I'm using a face primer, it's gonna be something that's gonna give me hydration or glow. I don't really care about blurring my pores just yet in my life. I probably should. It is what it is. I think that's everything. But if you have any questions or anything, you can ask in the comments below. Or you can hit me up on my other socials. I am artistryxashh everywhere. And like I said, I do have a giveaway going over on my TikTok that will end if I ever hit 10K. If I ever hit 10K. I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm giving myself to the end of June to make it happen. Otherwise, I'm done with TikTok because I'm struggling hard. So if you're interested in signing up for Ipsy and Boxycharm, I will have that link listed down below. Like I said, it is an affiliate link. If you don't want to use my link or anything, you can just, you know, type it into Google and do it that way. But I would greatly appreciate it if you use my link or use any of my discount codes that are listed down below. I don't have anything else to say. This was just a mid-month. I do wish that they would have gone a little bit more, you know, colorful. You know, June is Pride Month, and yeah, you know, the bag is colorful, but like I want the products to be colorful too. So I think I covered everything. So if you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And just thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're seeing this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!